Hey y'all, so it is pouring down rain outside, which means we're just gonna do a day in life today. I'm about to make my bed. I'm also not getting out of my pajamas. Girl doesn't even have a bra on. I'm putting my robe on and we're gonna be super comfortable today. Erin's in there making manwich, so we'll fix our lunch slash maybe it's our dinner too, because it's already after 2 o'clock here. But it's like, it feels like it's dark outside. Like it feels like nighttime. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy this video. Just kind of a hangout day. And let's get started. This robe is so soft and comfortable and thick. I got this at Walmart. But TJ Maxx was cheaper. They were only $19.99 at TJ Maxx and I spent $24. So if you want a robe, check out your like TJ Maxx and Ross first before you go to Walmart, because it could be cheaper. Anyways, I did my gua sha this morning in this little thing right here. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in. Do y'all hear the like rain? It's so loud. Okay. So that's going. This is a pumpkin one, the pumpkin patch. I just love the pumpkin scented ones. Alright, this curtain's open. I like to keep that closed. Okay, so I'm going to make the bed now.
I really wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right?
Alright, bed is made up. It's not perfect, but it'll do. I have not put on any perfume yet, so I'm going to use, I've got quite a few. All my dossier is in the bathroom. I try to just rotate. So this one is Cotton Candy Cloud, Bath and Body Works. I got this a few years ago, I think, maybe 2. But oh my goodness, it smells so good. It smells like cotton candy, I guess. Yeah, pretty much like a berry vanilla type thing. Oh my goodness, can't talk. I really want to do something with this situation. I don't know if it's going to be today. I really need like a bookshelf instead of this. And then put the trash can, which I'm not going to show y'all, like over here on this corner. Yeah, because this is wild. It's also like just so much in there. But I feel like that could be like a whole organization video. So, you got a room that looks like this. Smells good in here. Oh, I was like, what is that? It's a paper towel. Oh, okay. I will get out of your way. I just got juice all over me. My dishes are dirty from last night. And I think some of these were from stuff I took out of the, what do you call it, refrigerator. Look how rainy it is out there. I love looking at these little candy canes. It's just super rainy. I actually need to check. Hi, Miss Chloe. I've got her bundled up. She gets really cold. I need to check what she's gonna get. She already is. I know, but it's rainy, girl. Okay. I put a towel right here. Yeah, it's wet. Soaking wet. I do this because our door leaks. The storm door So this is, I'm going to change this one out. Alright, I've got the new one down right there. Its damage is up here. And yes, that is what you think it is. Alright. Some of y'all are probably like, girl, you gotta move out of there. You gotta change it now. I just plan on fixing things. So yeah. The house has had like some mold issues. But they're like closed off, I guess you'd say, like in the doorway. And then there was something behind our, like a panel behind our washer and dryer. But it's all good. It's all getting slowly replaced. Like by the time we're done, the trailer won't even look like, I mean, it already doesn't really look like how it looked when we moved in here. And it's easy to tell now because like you can see the bedroom and then you see the kitchen and you're like, oh wow, that's a big difference. So excited for the bedroom to start matching the rest of the house. Yay! Okay, time to eat. We've got, is this, okay, there are 2 buns right here. So we can use these. We've got those 2 buns, and then here's the new pack of buns. Got these for the sandwich, and also I got another frozen pack of hamburger meat, so we can use these for hamburgers too. I've got enough to start a load, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I showed y'all this yesterday, but this is the laundry detergent. It says Gain Aroma Boost, and it's just the original. This one's the Ultra Downy. It's the Cool Cotton, and I am going to use this also, mainly because my tablecloth is in here. Oh, and the towels, so maybe that will help my towels a little bit. When I buy new ones, I think I will just get the white ones. That way I can bleach it, bleach the towels. That would be good. Okay. There we go. Alright, we've got this right here. Oh, also, Erin and I started watching this show, Suits. I like it. It's pretty good. We also have been watching something else. He's a deputy. And it's on Paramount. Alright. Then we were watching a show called The Mayor last year. SEAL Team. All those we like. There was another one, Lioness, we started watching, but I don't know if Erin really liked it or not. Alright. That is going in the wash. Getting it done. This is why I do voiceovers, y'all. What am I even talking about, girls? Okay. Time to eat. Yes, we normally don't keep those right there in the kitchen. But whenever it's like pouring down rain, I just put them everywhere in the house. Just to be safe.
Crazy world. was the girl all alone in the corner, drinking by yourself on a Saturday night. You were the guy with your friends at the doorway, pretending that you had the time of your life. Had we met before, instant chemistry, I was so glad you came. Had we met before, laugh innocently, but it didn't feel like thunder or lightning, but something struck me when I was looking into your eyes. Wasn't love at first sight, and fire burning bright, but now I know what it was. It was like coming home. We were making our way through the town, yeah, never really wanted the night to end. And I was wishing you'd stick around. Still I was thinking that we were just friends. Had we met before, instant chemistry, I was so glad you came. Had we met before, laugh innocently, but it didn't feel like thunder or lightning, but something struck me when I was looking into your eyes. Wasn't love.
Alright, y'all, I just put my Skin So Soft on because my hands get so dry as soon as it starts getting cold. I was told them I was putting my lotion on because my hands get so dry.
Come on, kitty.
Hi.
You can't be in here.
She's talking to me. Come on. Oh, this is the culprit. This is the one.
Come on,
If
kitty.
y'all remember. Go.
Come on.
Go. I know you want to eat. They want to eat dinner. Alright, girls. Let's go, girls. Come on, girls. Margaret. Where is she? There she is. Okay.
Instant chemistry. It took me a while to realize that you were the missing piece. It didn't feel like thunder or lightning, but something struck me
Okay.
when I was looking into
I know. It's awesome. It's awesome.
fire burning bright.
Yeah. Alright. Chloe. Chloe. Come here, Chloe. Come here, Chloe. 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 Well, there. Oh, there she comes. She heard it. She heard it on the floor. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. There you go, Chloe. Right here. There you go. There's your food. Oh, good stretch.
I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go. But when you left, I could feel